Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Divi in WordPress. Divi is an incredibly powerful visual page builder that transforms your WordPress experience. It empowers you to create stunning websites with a simple drag-and-drop interface, eliminating the need for complex coding. You can start building immediately by choosing from hundreds of pre-designed layouts or by crafting your unique vision from scratch. It's designed for both beginners and experienced developers. Understanding Divi's core building blocks is key to efficient design. Your pages are constructed using three main components: sections, rows, and modules. Sections are the broadest containers, defining large content areas. Within sections, you add rows to create column structures, offering immense flexibility for your layout. Finally, modules are the specific content pieces, like text, images, or contact forms, placed inside your rows. Divi truly shines with its robust customization capabilities. The visual builder allows you to fine-tune every aspect of your design directly on the front end of your website. You can easily adjust colors, typography, spacing, and even add engaging animations to any element. This real-time editing experience means you see your changes instantly, making the design process incredibly intuitive and efficient for achieving your desired look. One of Divi's most powerful features for boosting productivity is the Divi library. This allows you to save any custom layout, section, row, or module you create. Once saved, these elements can be reused across multiple pages or even different websites, saving you countless hours. You can also create global items, which means editing them once updates them everywhere they are used, ensuring consistent design effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.